Hello, I already showed you how to set up and start with Squareline Studio on LilyGo boards, on some WaveChef boards, and now it's time for M5Stack. So in this video I will show you how to set up, and I will share with you basic starting Arduino sketches for M5Atom, for M5Stack and of course for M5Core2. So let's get started. And I will also show you how easy it is to make this example, and I will share code for M5Dial, but later. And yes, I almost forgot, I will also share in description my LVG version for these boards. Today there are many LVG versions because many companies edit LVG libraries, so I will share a library that will work with all three boards. You can find it in description. So first you will need starting files. I prepared your starting files here. In description of this video you can find this GitHub link, so you can download zip, and when you extract files from it you will have these folders. So here is starting or Arduino sketch for Atom, here is for M5Core2, and here is for M5Dial. I will show you example for M5Core2, so I will open this folder. Remember, name of folder needs to be same as name of your Arduino file, and I will make new folder here with name UI. You already saw this step in my videos, please check them if you didn't. So now in Squareline Studio, remember address of your project folder. So in Squareline Studio we'll go create Arduino, and here I will find my folder, which is this one. I will choose resolution of that board, 320 by 240, color depth is 16, and like always theme is dark, and I will go to create. And to make sure everything is working, I will put spinner, I will put button. Where is button? And maybe some text. I can also add some event. Set property of label. Target label is label 1, and text is click. Don't forget to go to File, Project Settings, and choose this Flat Export. Flat Export, export all files to one folder. And now we can export our project. Export UI files, where I want in this folder UI, user interface. And export is successful. And yes, if you are new here, feel free to check my channel, feel free to check my videos, to share, like, subscribe. And if this video is helpful, you can always buy me coffee, become my Patreon supporter, or make a YouTube super thanks. Thank you. Let's continue. And now we can open our Arduino file. You will need to choose board. So M5Stack Core 2. Don't forget to choose port. If you don't have installed M5Stack boards, easiest way is just to click here and write M5Stack, and you can choose install here, and that's it. Now we just need to upload our code to check is it working. So I will choose upload, and if you check all three codes I provide, you'll notice that they are practically the same. Difference is, of course, library for a specific device, resolution of screen, and everything else is really basically same. And after uploading, we can see that our example is working. Spinner is spinning, we have our button, touchscreen work, and here is our label clicked. I also wanted to share this idea with you and show you how simple it is to make this. This is basically two images. One is background images, this dial, and one is this needle image. So after playing with original image, I was able to make image without needle and image that only contained this needle. And what I'm doing here, I'm just rotating this front image, so we have this cool effect. And you can see that code for this is really simple. It is basically same code with addition of this part. So when encoder is rotated, if new position is larger than old position, we will increase angle for 40, and if new position is smaller, we will decrease angle for 40, and this simple function will rotate our image for on that angle. Keep in mind that angles are from 0 to 3600, so not from 0 to 360. And you can also notice that Squareline Studio project is turbo simple. We have practically two images. This is our background image, and we have needle image. And when they are at center, they work great together. You can change rotation here if you... Sorry, that was background. 0, 0, rotation 2000. And that's it. I hope you learned something, and I hope my file will be useful to you. Thank you, and I will see you soon. Goodbye.